you ask me for a saying or words Rudolf Steiner has chosen in one of her introductions to lectures of Rudolf Steiner, but it's her own thoughts, and they show how deeply she has felt through what Rudolf Steiner wanted to bring. And she felt very much connected with the word and wanted, in a way, was searching for ways to reveal the word. And it was about starting to become able to connect with the word in a way which is not using the organs so much anymore, but that the word itself can speak and just play on the organs, but it's mainly expressing itself in order to that it starts to reveal not only our origin but also our where the cosmos longs us to arrive. And so she says, and I speak the words now and I put it under the replays. The word has built the cosmos. The cosmos has concentrated itself in the human body, has been captured in it, and must be redeemed again, so that it can rise again to the word and be reflected back by him. So in a way, it says the cosmos comes from the word. And the cosmos becomes the body. And within the body, artificial boundaries maybe even came into existence. And it's the cosmos, and the cosmos has to become redeemed again, that it can rise to the word and be reflected back by him, so that the cosmos is again reflected by the word. So now we can try to follow this path, to sense it a little bit. Where's the sphere of the word? Just let's try to sense a sphere. We associate with the sphere of the word. The sphere out of which everything has its origin. And then from there we come in a little bit. Okay, the word builds the cosmos. And we feel a closer sphere. That's the cosmos. What is it? The hills, the rivers, the clouds, the stars. And what's weaving between them. And then this cosmos has concentrated itself in the human body as a microcosmos. Just feel the body. And now we must reach a sort of consciousness that we can go even further into our body and feel there are forces which bind the body from within, hold it together, that it cannot just be so playful that we feel the cosmic background. It's just form. And now we must redeem this cosmos again. It must be redeemed again. But how do we do this? Just we move it a little bit. And we let the cosmos rise again to the word, to the sphere of the word, that it can be reflected by him. And now it's coming from outside back, here. And it touches us from there. And let go. So So what has happened is the tendency that it's captured from within. We try to create a mirror picture that it can show itself again, express itself again. Yeah? And when it can be reflected, the inner being can come out again, because, here you are. Like when the sun shines, and the seeds can again grow into the sun. So we tried in a way, let's do it just with a few O's. A very big one. The Word has built the cosmos. And then we do an O in front. The cosmos has concentrated itself in the human body. And then we do it behind the O, and has been captured in it. And now we do it below. We follow this where it has been captured. We must go this way and must be redeemed again. You really embrace the down, spheres down. And now we move the O up so that it can rise again to the Word. And now we sink this O into the heart and be reflected back by Him. So we stay that big where the cosmos, the body cosmos has risen again, but we feel its reflection in the heart. We are not becoming small again. We are not just bound again. And breathe. Let's try again. Just a step forward, backward. The Word, we have just incredibly big. The Word, we cannot show it, but we feel from everywhere its forces creating this O from the outside. Has built the cosmos. Everything has been built by it. And then in front, the cosmos has concentrated itself in the human body, and feel the body, the fullness you are living in, full of life. And now something happens and has been captured in it. Feel this tension in your arms when you have to create this O behind. Yes, like if your wrist would be, like in a prison. And then just let go. Yes, I follow you down there. And must be redeemed again. We do it by embracing it. And now we just let it grow like this, so that it can rise again to the Word. Connect the feeling outside again to the sphere of the Word out there. And nothing changes. Your arms stay there, and another pair of arms moves to your heart and be reflected by Him. So we have the cosmos here, we have the Word behind, and the Word reflects the cosmos into our heart, where we experience the Word as it reflects the cosmos in us. We do it one last time. The Word, feel far out, has built. From everywhere come the forces. The cosmos. Let go. The cosmos has concentrated itself in the human body. Feel your fullness, your warmth, your life. And now go to prison. Has been captured in it. The cosmos is captured. and we embrace everything which we have to deal with and has to be redeemed again. And now in a big bow, so that it can rise again. Where to? Feel the periphery far out to the world, to the creative forces. And your O above is now a mirror. And be reflected by him. Actually not, the bird reflects the cosmos into us. Feel the center, the cosmos in your heart. Feel the cosmos in its redeemed sphere. After his being captured. And feel the world around it, which makes it possible to experience the cosmos in our heart. Let go. Breathe and stay in contact with yourself. Sense your body and slowly move to a seat without losing what you've just done, tried, and listen to the resonance. How do you feel now? Which parts of your body do you experience as lively, more than usual? Where do you experience joy? Where light, where warmth, where's tension? And after a while, look how things change. Now it feels different. If you can put a word on it, try to describe it fine. The body likes that, but it's perfect if you only notice something is going on. And if you can differentiate, okay, the left side. The left thighs are like this, the right thighs. Feel shorter, the left thighs longer. Interesting. Things like that. And even if you don't notice these things, you can be sure your body is so happy if you just try to perceive if it is reacting to what we did. And then you can go a step further. When you have reactions, you can try to get a feeling for who is causing these reactions. The exercise. And try to get a feeling for the exercise, for what we tried to touch, and how this motivates it. This, our try to perceive, get a grasp of it, how this motivates it to become perceptible, to give us energy or whatever, to be present in us.